we are going to be testing out a mini facial scrubber by the brand Mongant. Let's get to it. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is another exfoliation video. We have this right here. So this is by the brand Mongant and it is a mini facial scrubber. The other day I reviewed their body exfoliation glove. Guys, I'm going to link that video there. Make sure you go to check that out. Just go and see how awesome it is. I tell you, it's crazy good. So yeah, with this one they have also gifted me this as well. So to be totally clear and transparent, I got this free in exchange to do a video on it, so that is why we're here today. So in here, like I say, we have the mini facial scrubber. So yeah, here it is. It is so cute, loving the colour, kind of got a thing with pink. And it's got a white band at the bottom. We have the company logo here. Behind that we have a little loop as well, if I can get my finger in there, so you can hang it when not in use. It's a great size. You just pop your hand in and then yeah, get exfoliating and get scrubbing away. I can actually get, if I wanted to, my whole hand in there. But yeah, there it is. So I do mention, because I filmed me using this already, I do mention in that video, it says it's made from pure silk. I don't know if it is. It feels like a cotton material. It feels very smooth, which when you feel it you think, how is that gonna exfoliate my face? But we'll talk about that after you see the footage. So I read, because I did a voiceover in the footage, and I basically read that yes, it's made from pure silk, and then later on in that clip I mentioned that it's made with viscose. So I think that is like some of the information that they had with the body glove as well, so I don't know if they've just recycled that information in with this. It feels very good quality. The stitching is very neat, and that goes inside as well. It is very high quality. This is currently on their website. It is on sale for £14.99. It's on their half price at the moment, so make sure to get yourself over there and treat yourself. I will link this down below in the information box and the comment box. And it does say on there as well, for the month of April, so there's only a couple of days left, that it's buy one get one free. I don't know if this is included in it, so definitely go and check that out. But yeah, let's get on with it and show you the footage of me using this. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Let's get to it. Restore your face's natural radiance. Exfoliate your face gently with our pure silk face scrubber. We developed Mongant Mini because your face is one of the most sensitive parts of your body. Dead skin cells and dirt accumulate on your face throughout the day, and that can cause blackheads and acne. Restore your skin's natural radiance with Mongant Mini. Skin benefits include clear congestion, eliminate acne, ingrown hairs, and much more. Remove your makeup. The Mini Mongant allows you to remove your makeup without any chemicals. Bumpy lips. In addition to exfoliating your lips, Mongant Mini activates the blood circulation in your lips, which will naturally bump your lips. I think that's supposed to say plump, I'm not sure. Natural exfoliation. Get dramatically smoother, softer and clearer skin naturally. Glow up. Promote healthy blood flow and nourish cells for glowing skin. Fake tan. Easily scrub off fake tan in one use. Additional information. The glove will shrink with first use. One size fits most. Made using 100% biodegradable viscose sustainably derived from the reed plant. Ensure you apply moisturiser and sunscreen after exfoliating. Consult a medical practitioner if you are unsure if this product is the right fit for you. For external use. Right guys, we are back. So what do you think of that glow that it left on my skin after I finished using it? I couldn't believe it. I actually could not believe it. When I was using it, I was expecting the same results as when I used the exfoliation body glove, where the skin pilled up and basically just rolls of skin was coming off. That was not the case. So at first I was like, oh no, this is not working. But this is totally different. That does, well, it might happen with you. It didn't happen with me. I didn't have any rolls of skin. But after I finished using this and my skin dried and I just touched my skin, it felt so smooth. It was just, it's weird how it can exfoliate it without being abrasive or anything like that. It's really strange, but really awesome at the same time, because obviously your face is a delicate area. So as you saw in the clip, I used it on my lips and everything like that. It did a fantastic job of exfoliating the lips, and they did feel a little teeny tiny bit plumped afterwards as well. This did not shrink when it was wet, just to let you know. I think that was, I don't know if they've put some information on the page for this that was on the body exfoliation glove, but yeah, this did not shrink. But guys, I'm really impressed. So the full price for this is basically £30, which is a lot of money. It is a lot of money. But when you look at the actual quality of it, and when you get yours, when you feel the quality of it too, it kind of makes more sense. I think this is going to last for a decent amount of time as well, so we are going to get our money's worth. Just by the feel and touch of it, this is going to wash beautifully in the washer too, so we're going to be able to use it time and time again. But yeah, that glow was crazy. So that footage I filmed yesterday before I went to bed, and I've got up this morning, and I've put my face on and done my hair. I've still got my Jimmy Jams on, but even with my makeup on now, that glow, I mean, I have got highlighter on, don't get me wrong, but you can see on my skin, where obviously places where you don't put highlighter, my skin is so glowy. So it basically polished my skin to a high shine. It is great, absolutely great. So this definitely gets a massive thumbs up from me. Go and treat yourself, you won't regret it. That basically concludes the video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.